Hello friends, my name is Kristi Evans. I am the Student Service Coordinator for TSIC and Children. I am your point of contact for mentoring for this upcoming school year. What happened to Cindy Frazier, you ask? Well, Cindy enjoyed retirement so well she decided to go back and become a retiree again. So why are you receiving this video? Well, I've got 3 points. The first point is I wanted you to put a face with a new name. Second, to remind all of you how valued you are as a TSIC and Children mentor. The success of this program works because of you, because you have partnered with this organization by giving your time, your interests, and your overall life experiences. As a mentor, you have the chance to impact others' lives and leave a legacy that can transform their future. This past school year, through your dedication and meeting some of the key indicator goals, you as mentors have helped us to earn the Luminary Award from the TSIC and Children State Department. That is the highest award that we can earn, and I will talk more about that at our mentor orientation. The last point of this video is school starts on August 10th. Yes, that's very soon. And I want to extend to you a save the date invitation for our upcoming mentor training workshops. The dates of the workshops will be held on August the 16th and the 17th. Time and locations are to be determined. I will send that in a future email. The reason why we have 2 dates is because first I do one in the north end of the county, and then I will do the second one in the south end of the county. For those of you who are not able to attend, please reach out to me directly and we can make separate arrangements to have you involved in our mentor training workshop. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I'm excited for this upcoming school year. And mentors, I want you to remember your why. Have a great summer.